It's almost time.
Stay tuned for Police Dog Story.
Yeah.
You're watching AFB Animal Future Vision, Channel K9.
Police Dog Story, featuring Duke Shepard, Rookie Cop.
Hi, I'm Duke. I was completing my academy training, practicing the big steps and pretending to scale a House of Pancakes roof. And I was, I slipped on some syrup. Sorry about that, Chief. That's when I heard it. That bell meant the jailbreak. It was broad daylight, but these brazen criminals used a cleverly devised plan. One of them tunneled his way to freedom and served as a lookout for the others.
That's okay!
Inch by inch, they had been plotting their escape.
Let's see. I shouldn't have eaten that cake with the file in it.
Even the juvenile division had a bad boy.
I'm getting out of here. All I did was pee-pee on the rug, and I'm gonna do it again.
Well, once the warden put me on kitchen duty, I knew I was halfway to freedom.
All right, Trixie. You got 30 minutes in the yard for exercise.
Oh, sure, matron. Yeah, sure. We'll exercise this. I'm getting out of here. My man Vinny's gonna meet me outside the wall. I'm getting out. I'll find Trixie, and by nightfall, we'll blow out of this two-bit town. Yeah, almost there.
While the warden's gone to the donut shop, I'll just slip out through his office.
Calling all cars. Be on the lookout for escaped prisoners.
Will these fugitives be able to hide from the law?
Oh, I can hear the sirens. I gotta find a place. Oh, maybe behind this tree here. Oh, they can see my head. Oh, now they can see my tail.